Hello, good day everyone. Today I have something to share. Okay, but I want to share what is NTP server because there's something happened in my customer. So what I'm showing here. Okay, so as we know, the NTP server is a time server that we're able to sync our time to the server. So that's why we can all run at the same time, right? Isn't it? So I have some list over here: time.windows.com, time.google.com, my.pool.ntp.org. This is all is NTP server, but it requires internet connection. But when I need the internet connection, then I'm able to sync my time, my device time into NTP server. But if I don't have internet connection, what should we do? We have to buy the NTP server that is more expensive. Then you have to host and put into your system, correct or not? But currently, I have found a solutions. Okay, this solution we can do offline server. Okay, how we use doing offline server? We have to run certain setting on our Windows 10s. Okay, so what we're going to do is how we going to sync the time. Okay, so I prove it over here. Okay, first we going to the now I'm going to start my settings. Okay, so we're going to run Microsoft R. Okay, so Microsoft R, you do a run. Okay, you're going to the services first, Services.msc. Never mind, this all Microsoft run thing, every step I will write in my below descriptions, so you're able to follow up. I will highlight it when we need to edit things. Okay, so going to the Services.msc. Okay, over here you try to looking for the window time over here. Okay, so you right click on it, you double click on it, you make sure the startup type is disabled, because when you want to do addition, then you need to disable your system, right? Isn't it? So you disable it first. Okay, but done over here. So we're going to registration edit. Okay, also doing the same thing, and Microsoft R, we put registration edit. Okay, over here, this is normally what we see. Wow, so many things. So it's quite so many things. I will write down in my description because for you to easier follow-ups. Okay, you go into the HK local machine, then you go into the system. Okay, then you're looking for the current. Then for current control set. Okay, then you're looking for the services. Okay, the services quite many, but we more focus on W32 time. Okay, so almost our tool configuration we need to apply over here. Okay, going to a config. Do you see announce flag? This announce flag we have to adjust to be value 5. Make sure it's hexadecimal. Okay, done over here. Then we go into the NTP server. Okay, so we go into the time provider. We open it. They have an NTP server over here. They have a bunch called enable. You double click it. Put it as 1. Make sure hexa. Okay, done. Is everything done? That's all for the registration edit. So we close on it. Then we go back to services. Okay, over the services over here, do you see they have a window times over here? You right click on it. You go into the properties. Okay, start up automatically. Okay, then click apply. Okay, after that you start on it. Let the Windows time start. Okay, now he become the server already. But due our firewall system, we need to disable our firewall also. So we go into the control panel. Make sure your firewall are disabled. Okay, so now I'm going to test how the things work. Okay, I have a connector, one IP camera. This is my SCTV. Okay, I access to camera. Okay, so this one goes 64. enter configuration. Okay, we're going to the time setting. Okay, over time setting, do you see my time is 197001. Okay, I can sync with the computer, but now I want to do the NTP server. So I put the NTP server here, but now because I test, I put one over here. But for the time server, what I need to put under this time server, then the IP address on this computer that you configure this all setting. So you just double check your config. Okay, my PC are running 192.168.1.21, so I just put this IP. Okay, we press test on it. Test successful. Okay, click save. Okay, so after done, this is all under offline. You see my internet over here is offline. There is no internet connections. Okay, so I go into another. You see my time is 1970, right? So I try to refresh this page. See, the time is already synced. Okay, this is proof how we're using offline mode as an NTP server. So everything I will write down in my description. So later you will be follow up. If you will encounter this problem in your fire control room, you can use it. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.